Welcome back to Spy Garage.
The hypothetical 2027 Lexus Motorhome, touted as the ultimate mansion luxury, represents an extraordinary venture into the realm of ultra-premium recreational vehicles, setting a new benchmark for palatial interiors and majestically opulent exteriors. This conceptual vehicle would embody Lexus's unwavering commitment to unparalleled craftsmanship, serene comfort, and technological sophistication, reinterpreting the very essence of mobile living. From an exterior perspective, the 2027 Lexus Motorhome would defy conventional motorhome aesthetics, presenting a design that is both grand and exquisitely refined. Expect a commanding presence, characterized by elegant lines, meticulously sculpted surfaces, and a harmonious blend of form and function. The iconic Lexus spindle grille would be reimagined on an imposing scale, serving as a focal point, flanked by advanced, razor-sharp LED lighting that provides both superior illumination and a distinctive visual signature. Premium, multi-stage paint finishes would shimmer with depth, perhaps even incorporating subtle, bespoke textures. Thoughtful aerodynamic integration, while crucial for efficiency, would also contribute to a sleek, contemporary profile, far removed from the boxy shapes of traditional RVs. Large, perhaps even retractable, panoramic glass panels would not only invite natural light into the expansive interior, but also offer uninterrupted vistas, blurring the lines between the vehicle and its surroundings. Custom-designed, multi-spoke alloy wheels, commensurate with its luxurious stature, would complete the exterior's majestic appeal. Stepping inside the 2027 Lexus Motorhome would be akin to entering a meticulously designed, five-star residence. The palatial interiors would be defined by an uncompromising dedication to luxury, comfort, and advanced technology. The cabin would be an oasis of tranquility, achieved through superior sound insulation and vibration dampening, ensuring an exceptionally quiet ride. The living spaces would be expansive and thoughtfully segmented, featuring the finest materials sourced globally. Sumptuous, hand-stitched semi-aniline leather upholstery, rich open-pore wood veneers with intricate grain patterns, and polished metal accents would adorn every surface. Custom, integrated ambient lighting systems would allow occupants to tailor the mood to their preference, from vibrant and inviting to soft and serene. The layout would likely include a grand living room with versatile seating arrangements, transforming for dining or relaxation. A gourmet kitchen, equipped with state-of-the-art, professional-grade appliances, solid surface countertops, and ample custom cabinetry, would cater to the most discerning culinary tastes. The master suite would be a private sanctuary, featuring a king-sized bed with premium bedding, abundant storage, and possibly a walk-in closet. The ensuite bathroom would rival those found in luxury hotels, complete with high-end fixtures, a spacious shower, and perhaps even a dedicated vanity area. Advanced technology would be seamlessly integrated yet intuitively operated. A sophisticated infotainment system would control multi-zone climate control, premium audio and visual entertainment, comprehensive navigation, and complete vehicle diagnostics. Connectivity options would be unparalleled, ensuring a seamless experience for work or leisure. Ultimately, the 2027 Lexus Motorhome would not merely transport its occupants. It would immerse them in an environment of unparalleled luxury, comfort, and technological prowess, truly making every journey a stay in a magnificent, rolling palace.